Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to building your first app on Mendix for beginners. First is setting up your environment. Create an account, visit the Mendix website to sign up for a free account. Install Mendix Studio Pro. After registering, download and install Mendix Studio Pro, the integrated development environment for building applications. Next is starting a new project. Launch Mendix Studio Pro, open the application and log in with your credentials rather. Create a new app. Click on Create New App and select a suitable template or start from scratch with a blank app, depending on your project requirements. Now on designing the domain model, define entities. In the domain model, represent your data structure by creating entities. For instance, if you're building a task management app, you might have entities like task and user. Now set attributes. Assign attributes to each entity to define their properties, such as task name, string, and due date time for the task entity. Establish associations. Create relationships between entities to model how they interact, such as linking user to tasks to assign tasks to users. Next is building the user interface. Design the app's interface by adding pages, such as a home page, input forms, and overview pages. Utilize widgets. Drag and drop widgets like text boxes, buttons, and data grids onto your pages to facilitate user interaction. Configure layouts. Arrange widgets and set page layouts to ensure a user-friendly and responsive design. Next is implementing application logic with microflows. Create microflows. Develop microflows to define the app's behavior, such as data validation, calculations, and decision-making processes. Next is use activities. Incorporate activities like retrieving data, creating or updating objects, and showing messages within your microflows to control the app's logic. Now on setting up security, define user roles. Establish roles like administrator, user, and many more to manage access levels within the app. Set permission. Assign permissions to control which user can view or modify specific parts of the application, ensuring data security and integrity. Now, lastly, testing and deployment. Run locally. Test your application locally using the built-in debugger to identify and resolve issues. Deploy to the cloud. Once satisfied with the app's performance, deploy it to the Mendix cloud directly from Studio Pro for broader accessibility. And that's basically it.